Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
6 natural cleansing products. 1. Fennel. Besides have a truly delicious smell and flavor, fennel is one of the best options for cleansing. Among its benefits, there is the improvement of digestion and the facilitation of gas release. Also, when it is consumed as an infusion, alone or with something, it promotes the elimination of excess fluids, which makes it one of the favorites of people who suffer from fluid retention or arthritis. Fennel also facilitates the expulsion and reduction of phlegm in the lungs. You can use fennel as a tea or an ingredient in salads. But you should also be cautious and avoid using it excessively. This is because since it has very strong properties, it can cause mild to severe discomfort. A good option is to drink fennel infusion for 3 days to cleanse and then stop. In the following days, drink a lot of water so that the process completes satisfactorily. 2. Aloe vera. This is one of the favorite ingredients of natural medicine and it is very efficient for cleansing. Aloe vera facilitates liver activation thanks to its high content of polysaccharides which eliminate the toxins that the liver accumulates and rejuvenate it. It is important to eat aloe vera as naturally as possible because commercial products may contain properties that reduce its effectiveness. You can eat a teaspoon of aloe vera every morning with a glass of water to facilitate the proper functioning of the liver during the day. You can also make a cleansing infusion by mixing aloe vera, milk thistle, licorice, and dandelion. 3. Green tea. Green tea benefits your health in many different ways. It acts as a stimulant when you want to cleanse your body due to its diuretic characteristics and the presence of chlorogenic acid. The latter facilitates digestion and cleansing of toxins that you consume. You can consume it in different ways, although 5 cups of green tea a day is best. It is also important to be sure to drink enough water. 4. Pineapple. Pineapple is one of the fruits with the highest amount of water, rich in fiber, and with few calories. But it also contains 3 enzymes that improve digestion and blood circulation: bromelain, extranase, and ananasa. Pineapple also helps cleanse the areas with protein fibers and removes fatty tissue that is the causing factor of cellulitis. Pineapple helps cleanse because of its high content of potassium, which allows the amount of water in your cells to be regulated. Because of all of its benefits, we recommend that pineapple is present in your diet. This will be simple because of its flavor that makes it easily combinable with other foods. 5. Horsetail. This wild herb has become very common as a natural remedy. Among its properties, we find that it is an excellent ally because it can increase your amount of urine up to 30%. This is beneficial for eliminating toxins and facilitating the functioning of your kidneys and prostate. Horsetail has also been shown to have the ability to reduce the size of kidney stones and increase your kidney's filtration ability. 6. Cherries. Cherries boast much more than delicious flavor. Cherries have a large amount of potassium salt and help cleanse by increasing urine. They also help eliminate metabolites, thus facilitating the reduction of the feeling of heavy legs. The benefits of cherries are increased when combined with horsetail.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.